Hi there, Afritan. It's Ben. I'm quickly going to show you how to make your own blog. It's quite simple. Just go www.genuineguni.com/admin. Just give it a while. Now you log in with your details, which is okay. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, now it's pretty simple. You just go to Puff Blogs there at the top dashboard. You go down and you click Add Blog. Now, this is where you add a blog. This is how the whole screen looks like. The first thing you do is you select the category. It's going to be Genuine Goonie. The ID number 28, that doesn't matter for you. Status, yes, this means it's enabled. Entry featured, yes. Now the hits is your way of saying how many people have viewed this blog. So you don't really have to be honest. Let's say 189 people have visited this blog since it was made, even though it's being made at this moment. Okay, now tags, don't worry about that. You don't have to add that. If you'd like to add tags, you could. Let's say the blog is about Ngoonies. Then you just add something in there that says Ngoonie. If it was about Ottomans, you just say Ottomans if you'd like. That's no problem. But here is an important part. The SEO keyword. The SEO keyword. This will be the title of your blog, except it will not have spaces. No spaces, they will only use a dash. So this is the title of your blog or the article that you're writing, but just no spaces. So let's say the Ngoonie, put a space, the Ngoonie and the Ngoonie and its colors and shapes. Because this is what the blog is about. So this is your title of the article that you're going to write now, the Ngoonie and its colors and shapes. But no spaces, all these spaces are replaced with dashes. Do not have a space at the end, otherwise, or within this SEO keyword. But now what we do is we just copy this SEO keyword, seeing as it is the title of our article. We paste it in here, title, as you can see, you all know what that is. So now you just take out the dashes and put spaces in instead. Okay, fantastic. So now we have the title of your blog, the SEO keyword done, it is enabled, everything is going well. Now you have a small description. This is just a small description about what this little article is going to be about. So let's say Ngoonies have many shapes and colors. Come and explore them with us. Cool. So this is a short description just to get the people hooked, just so that they read the blog. But that's basically what you do. It's just summarizing the entire thing into like a little sentence. Now this is the content. This is where the blog actually exists. Here I'm going to teach you how to make a header. That's just the text is a little bit bigger than normal. I'm going to show you how to add images and how to resize images. Okay. Resize images and pretty much You know how text editor works. This is bold, this is italic, this is underline, strike through, subscript, superscript. Okay, so now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the header. So let's say you're writing about black and white Nguni hides. So now this is the title of this little part that you're writing. So you say black and white Nguni hides are quite common. And white Nguni hides are quite common. Okay, so this is your content, but this is your title. Now we want this to look like a header, so you go to the back end. It's called source. Now, it might look complicated, but it is really easy. You see this P right in front of it? You just turn that into an H2. The P at the end of the thing, of the line, turn that into an H2. And there you have a heading. The P stands for paragraph. The H2 stands for heading number 2. Okay. Now make it an H2. Take the P, delete it, H2. And there I have another header. Fantastic. Okay, so now I've written a little bit about black Nguni hides just underneath this. So I also want to add a little photo about a black and white Nguni hides. So this one is image. If you click on that, you can add images. Now once you're in this little menu, all you have to do is click browse server. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hey, okay. So now you're in this page. I think that is a black and white Nguni hide. Let's just view that quickly. So double click this one. Hey, there we have it. Inserted the image. The image is inserted, but now it's going to be so big and nobody wants a big picture like that. You click on the picture, you right click, and you go to image properties. Now you just change the width of the image and the height will stay with it. That's why this little lock is on. So let's say it's 340 is the size. Remember, just change it until you see and feel that it is alright. If you don't understand what the numbers mean, just change it and you'll see what happens. Okay, so now you've got an image, you've resized the image, and you've been able to put in a header. Okay, so that's basically what you have to do for this part of the blog edition. Now the next part is to add the main image of the blog. I'll show you just now, as soon as we go and view this little blog, what this means. Okay, so I clicked on browse image, just as with all the others. Let's view. Nope, that is something else. View slider concept. That's nice. I like that photo. Okay, so now I've added that. There's the image of the general blog. Now the meta SEO. This is important. What you're going to do is you're going to take the title of the blog, copy it, and paste it in the meta title. This is so that the search engines find your blog. So you just paste the title inside there, and now the meta description is what you actually wrote in this little small block called description. Control C. Okay, so now I just save and I have a blog. Now if you go take a look at it on the storefront, okay, if you go take a look at the storefront, Your blog now exists here. The Nguni and its colors and shapes. You can also go in here to blogs on this one. See, this is the big image that we added. And if we go and look inside the blog, if we go read more, you're going to see this is a heading, this is obviously the content, and this is the photo. So simple as that. You've added a blog, but now you want to change this blog. How do you do that? All you do is go back to Pav Blogs, click Blogs. You're going to be inside this menu. It's called Pav Blog Management. As with everything else, you just click Edit and you can change the rest. Cool. But let's say you want to delete this blog. You go Pav Blogs, Blogs, click on it, delete. Are you sure you want to delete this? Yes. There we are done. So, fantastic. Now you know how to make a blog.